Learn how to make black tea and black tea spiced, or dry tea and dry tea spiced. So we're going to begin with black tea. And when you're making black tea, these are the ingredients. We are going to start with cardamom seeds. You're going to first crush the cardamom seeds. After crushing them, we are going to apply them in a saucepan. We are going to apply them in the saucepan. After, we are going to add the lemongrass. After applying lemongrass, we are going to apply the bay leaves or the bay sticks. After applying the bay sticks, we are going to apply the tea leaves. After applying the tea leaves, you are going to apply water. Remember, we are doing black tea. So after applying water, we are going to boil until you see your tea is ready. So today I'm showing you of how to make the black tea with the best flavor and the best taste. Then after boiling, for the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for new recipes. After boiling, you are going to strain. After straining, we are going to serve as usual. So we are going to serve. This is black tea. Remember, make sure that you watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you how to make on the next recipe is going to be how to make black tea spiced. So we are going to serve black tea. You apply a tea bag. Make sure that when you are cooking, you apply little tea leaves so that you leave space for the client to use the tea bag. Then after, we are going to do black tea spiced. For the black tea spiced, we are going to start with the ginger. We are going to crush the ginger. After crushing the ginger, so this is the difference. For the black tea spiced, we crush the ginger. After crushing the ginger, we are going to put the cardamom seeds. After applying cardamom seeds, we are going to crush them. After crushing them, we are going to apply them in the saucepan. After applying them in the saucepan, we are going to put the lemongrass. After putting the lemongrass, we are going to put the bay leaves or the bay sticks. After that, we are going to put the tea leaves. Make sure that you don't put much tea leaves. Put medium. After, we are going to apply water, then we boil. This is black tea spiced. What makes it spiced is the ginger we apply, and also when you are serving it, you are going to serve with tea masala. So you are going to boil until you see it's ready. After boiling, you are going to strain. Make sure that you boil it until you see it's ready. So after, we are going to strain and serve. So when you are serving it, make sure that you serve with the tea bag. Make sure that you serve with tea masala, because if you are serving spiced one, you have to accompany it with tea masala. And if you also love cinnamon, you can also accompany with cinnamon powder. It depends on your choice. So after, we are going to serve. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipe update, and make sure that you watch the next video. See you.